Welcome back to Vlog 6.
If you don't know us already, we're Harri and Nikki, and last month we finished our 17-seater minibus campervan conversion in order to take it across Europe this summer.
In this vlog, we're taking you with us along the beautiful east coast of Spain,
where we visit some more coastal towns, enjoy a delicious meal at my family's restaurant in Peniscola,
and browse around another Monday market. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out.
Now let's get on with the video.
Update me, babe.
So we're at this awesome little park up by the sea, which is pretty cool. The name will be coming up on your screen now. We've got an awesome sea view, which is super nice. But yeah, when we got to the campsite yesterday, we met some awesome English couples, which was lovely. There was an English couple in an RV, which was nice, older couple, and then there was also a younger couple who were like mid-20s, early 30s that we hung out with last night, had a few drinks with. But yeah, we're heading to the spa now.
It's just, I was going to say, it's just weird because the guy, he went to the same school as my dad.
Yeah, that's so weird. It's such a small world, honestly, all English people interlinked somewhere.
So weird.
Yeah, we're going to head to the spa now and grab some burgers and stuff because I think we're going to have a barbecue with them tonight and watch some of the football that's on. But yeah, just quite a chilled day again. I think we're just going to head to the spa, then maybe have a swim in a bit and test out the water in the sea. I think it was quite warm last night when we got our feet in, so we're going to go for a dip today.
Yeah, let's do it.
So yeah.
Riding bikes along the beach, squeaking sand beneath.
Every time we leave, Harry blames me for losing the keys. And they're always wherever he sat.
I always look after the keys. Have I lost them yet? No. Have I just jinxed it? Yes.
Water is so clear and blue, all my dreams are coming true. Days are hard and nights are long. I like singing you this song. Skinny
Look how cheap wine is, it's mad.
Life's more fun when I'm with you.
Hola!
The spa is done, isn't it? Odd?
Spa is done, had a nice little treatment.
We got the best alioli ever. We'll put it up on the screen now.
You didn't even hear what I said.
Got a treatment.
Yeah.
Spa is in the shop. But
Dad jokes.
Dad jokes, but you're not dad. Oh wait, he is.
Oh wait, Jorge.
He is a dad.
Jorge.
But yeah, we got some nice snacks, got some nice food, so we're going to head back now and then chill out for the afternoon and have a swim.
So want to swim right now. What are we doing now then, babe?
We're just having a nice little Sudoku challenge. It's been a chill morning, so we thought we'd get competitive. I don't like losing. Nikki loses a lot, so we get on well. So we'll see who wins. So,
Well, let's do it then.
Yeah, let's get them.
What are we doing, like best of 3 or what?
Whenever you quit.
Okay. Seriously.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's
Check.
Avocado tree, a fig tree,
Did it?
have grapevines,
But that's all.
limes, lemons.
Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night.
That's so random. Have you got phobias of anything else?
No, nothing at all.
Yeah, it's fine.
Weird, I know, it's really
You just got to
weird,
like face your
but
fears with those types of things.
Yeah.
Just do it and then it's fine.
my whole life I had a fear of ketchup.
That's so random.
Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in.
Good morning, my friend.
Good morning.
So, who have we had to say goodbye to?
So we've had to
This
say
morning.
goodbye to our GoPro because unfortunately there was a little break in the casing that we didn't realise when we took it snorkeling yesterday. Filled up and I think it's a goner. So we're going to have to buy another one of them soon. I think our plan for today is to make some headway, hit the road, head to Valencia.
There's a market tomorrow as well, which I'm so excited about.
So that'll be awesome. So we're going to head to Valencia.
Cool.
See what goes on there. Okay, done. You can take it out.
I'm just getting my money's worth.
Kindly asking us not to put the nozzle all the way into the van as it would stop the pump from working.
Who are you watching this morning?
Watching some Kieran Alice. The latest vlog just came out.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, if you guys haven't checked out Kieran Alice before, should probably check out Kieran Alice, right?
Yeah, they're really cool guys, aren't
They're
they?
pretty cool guys. Similar following to us, but yeah, they've got similar goals as us, I think, as well, and just a similar vibe to us. So check them out. The link will be in the description below. But yeah, it is Sunday morning.
Yeah, what the hell has happened? Because we're not in Valencia.
Yeah, we're not in Valencia. Okay, shit. So change plan. Sunday morning, we're in Villarreal because we went to Valencia on Saturday. And by the way, don't visit Valencia on Saturday because it is just packed. You can't park anywhere.
It was awful, wasn't it?
It wasn't a fun experience. So we came here and we've chilled out this morning. We're just taking a total chill morning, and then this afternoon we are heading to a family friends of mine who own a restaurant near here, and I think we're going to get some free food from there.
Yeah.
I'm assuming it's free.
That's so
They're going to watch this
bad.
video, it's not going to be free, maybe we cut that out.
Oh, good.
Yeah, no, we're going to go get some food from there, and that would be very nice.
Okay, so we are almost there. We're like got 15 minutes left, don't we?
Yeah.
And I think we're gonna get there a little bit early and go for a little stroll around the like neighbourhood, see what there is there. But maybe clean up the van because we don't actually have to sleep in this tonight. We're gonna sleep at Harry's family friend's house, which will be so nice. Get a nice proper bed, have a nice shower. I actually can't wait for that. Can you?
That's going to be nice.
But we'll update you when we get there of what we're doing, what lunch we eat, and we'll give you the name of the restaurant as well because the TripAdvisor reviews looks amazing. So yeah.
Looking forward to some good lunch.
Yeah, me too. See you in a bit.
And we have arrived.
Good parking.
Thank you very much. Come on, Em. I haven't got all day. Don't pretend to be wiping the surfaces. I'm waiting for you.
Pretend I'm actually doing it, babe.
Alright, get out of here. Come on.
Right. Ready?
Been ready for the last 5 minutes.
Let's go then. Oh wow, look at that view.
We've done it right there, haven't we?
Wow, that is amazing, isn't it?
So we haven't given you the backstory properly. My family friends own this restaurant and they live out here and run the restaurant. So they've given us a sick team, which is absolutely awesome, and they reserved this restaurant at the top with the best views. It's up in the hill. So where is it?
Peniscola. Peniscola.
But yeah, awesome little restaurant. Name bit will be coming up on the screen now.
Yeah.
So if you guys want to visit, it's got awesome reviews on TripAdvisor, but it's buzzing. So
It looks amazing. It smells great, doesn't
it's
it?
banging. But yeah.
They've got a little pool there. Wow.
Well, just flop off after eating.
Cool down.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's awesome.
Is it good?
So we got steak and we got ribs, but they've already split them for us.
Which is so nice.
Because they knew we were sharing them, so awesome. Got a bit of both.
So we just spent the night at Harry's aunt's house, Jeanette's house. We woke up to this beautiful view. We had the most amazing time. They treated us so well with burgers. Obviously we went to their restaurant, you saw that. And now we're here in Peniscola, which is about a 10-minute drive away from their house, and we're about to go to the market, which I've been talking about for the last like 3 days. There's also a market in a couple of days' time, so I can't wait for that. There's a market tomorrow as well, which I'm so excited about. I can't wait to go to the market. So I'm itching to go. Oh yeah, I also got about, I think it's about 37 mosquito bites from, not last night, the night before in the van. And yeah, I'm itching everywhere, so.
So cue the market montage.
Yeah, cue the montage.
Alright guys, so I think that is all for this week. We just parked up in this awesome little cove area, so I think we're going to head to the beach in a minute. As you guys can tell, we've had an awesome chilled week, which we were a bit conscious about because we didn't go to any big cities or anything for you guys to give you some awesome tours or anything like that. But yeah, in the next couple of days I think we're going to be heading to the outskirts of Barcelona to reunite with someone that we met up in North Spain, and then go on from there and maybe into the south of France in the next vlog or the vlog after that, so that's exciting. Make sure if you guys did enjoy this video or enjoying the content, please do subscribe and leave a like. And also if you guys have got any recommendations for the south of France, because we're nearly there now, places to visit, please put them in the comment below. It will be amazing. But yeah guys, see you next week.
See you later.
See you later, alligator.